Hey guys, this is Armando Builds, and today we are going to build the fighter jet part 1. I built it so many times before, now I'm going to build it again, so let's go get started. I'm finished guys, so made this fighter jet part 1. I'm gonna build a part 2 tomorrow. Yep, also has stuff underneath there if you turn them around. Yep, not that you cannot move anything. I don't think you can move the guns. Yep, it's a cool fighter jet, like a pilot flight. Alright, so if you guys have this and you guys build fighter jet part 1, it's a cool thing to play. Yeah, I played with this before. Yep, might play with it later or not. So comment down below, tell me what you guys think about this fighter jet part 1, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, bye.